Dear students, in this video we are going to discuss about the various components which are used in the CNC machine. As you can see in the diagram, the various components which are used in the CNC machine are input devices, machine control unit, driving system, machine tool, feedback system and display unit. The input devices are used to input the part program into the CNC machine. The MCU will perform the controlling actions of the CNC machine. It will produce the motion data by reading the program, and similarly it will control the miscellaneous functions of the CNC machine such as coolant on, coolant off, tool changing, spindle stopping. Such activities are also controlled by the machine control. The driving system is nothing but motors which are used to uh, move the cutting tool as well as the uh, table on which the workpiece is mounted. The feedback system is used to give position feedback as well as velocity feedback. Position feedback of the cutting tool and velocity feedback of the cutting tool, by which velocity the cutting tool is moving, that is by which feed rate the cutting tool is moving. Okay. So that is the duty of feedback system. Similarly, we have display unit, which is used to display the program which is running and which line of the program now running, that we can see in the display unit. Similarly, other functions of the CNC machines such as coolant on, coolant off will be displayed in the display unit of the CNC machine. Now, input devices used in the CNC machine are punch tape, magnetic tape, or through computer by using an RS-232 communication cable. We can input the program into the CNC machine. Similarly, we can also input the program into the CNC machine manually. It is called as MDI, manual data input, for simple jobs. We cannot make use of manual data input for complicated or complex jobs. Now, next important component of CNC machine is machine control unit, MCU, which act as the heart of the CNC machine, which will perform all controlling actions of the CNC machine. The various functions which are performed by the machine control unit are: it reads the program, it decodes the program. A program is nothing but coded instruction that has to be decoded. So the program is decoded by the machine control unit, and it implements the interpolation such as linear, circular, helical to generate axis motion commands. Similarly, it feeds the axis motion commands to the amplifier circuit for driving the axis mechanism. The axis mechanism is also controlled by the MCU. In X direction, Y direction, the table will be moving. So that movement of the table in X and Y direction will be controlled by the machine control unit. Similarly, it receives the feedback signals of position and speed for each drive axis, and it implements the auxiliary control functions such as coolant on, spindle off, and tool change. These auxiliary functions are also controlled by the machine control unit. The next important part of CNC machine is machine tool. The machine tool is one which is actually performing the work, actually doing the work on the component. So the machine tool always has a spindle and a slide table to control the position and speed. The machine table is controlled in X and Y axis direction, and the spindle is controlled in the Z axis direction. Next is the feedback system. This system make use of transducers which act as sensors. The feedback system makes use of position transducer and speed transducer, which are continuously monitoring the position and the speed of the cutting tool located at any instant. The machine control unit receives the signal from this transducer, and it uses the difference between the reference signal and feedback signal to generate a control signal for correcting the position and speed errors. That is the work of feedback system. Next is display unit. A display unit is nothing but is a monitor which is used to display the programs, commands and other useful data of CNC machines. So this is about the uh, various components which are used in the CNC machine.